still need to tie the fabric over this rubber lace. It is not complicated at all, but still it's better not to rush. There we go! Now I need to repeat the same thing a few more times.
Here, I've highlighted a few rules for my future job. Rule number 1, be attentive. That's easy. I always stay alert at all times. Nothing happens without me noticing. Hey, come back!
Now, this is what we've got, guys. A beautiful skirt for Barbie. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Let's try it on to make sure it fits. Oh, great job! You are all set for the skirt fitting. Now, stand still. There we go. Wow, I totally love it. What about you? Do you like it?
Wow! This skirt looks amazing on you. It's like you're from some fairy tale.
I agree, but this top doesn't match the skirt at all.
Don't worry. It's just the next thing on our list of hacks testing. We'll use a matching fabric, like this. Let me tie a pretty knot over here and we're done.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Guys, calm down. I'm all alone here.
And what is this gathering all about?
Huh? It's pretty obvious. Here we have a runaway bride, a damsel in distress, and a poor musician.
And?
So it's a typical plot. They're all looking for a new home.
Okay, should we build it or create it with magic, maybe?
Wait! I can shelter them in my room! We only have to make cute little furniture!
You're an advocate for the humiliated and insulted. Love you for that. Well, let's go! Good job, Sammy! We have everything for the first piece of furniture.
Wait, thanks! Guys, soon you can sit on your new couch! Okay, then I'll cover the base with glue. Where is my brush?
Have you lost this protector?
Yeah, thanks! Am I Sam the Protector now? No time for that! Ugh, let's get started!
Here you go, Mr. Red Cheeks. Shall I help you?
Sure! Take another brush and let's get started!
Now we need to push the glued side against the batting.
Beep beep! More glue to the sides! Like that!
Sammy, you're so full of energy today! Okay, then we'll cover the whole thing with the batting again. You know what's next. Just repeat. And voila! The first piece of the couch is fully wrapped up.
A whole new world! A new fantastic point of view! No one to tell us no! Or help me, please! Woo! Princesses are so heavy!
Sammy, don't overwhelm yourself. And thanks for finishing the other piece.
Guys! Hey guys! We should play peekaboo later!
I found you! Now we can make an upholstery.
Yay!
Wrap it up like a precious gift, guys. Just like this.
Shiver me cheddars! Not that way! Ah!
Well, the helpers went in the wrong direction. We can survive without them for a while, right?
Yup, Sue, but when are you gonna make the other parts, huh?
Boom! Now we'll make… Wait, that didn't work out well.
Guys, bring it on! Go, go! Ugh, heavy stuff. Alrighty, let's go! Thanks for the help, people!
Wait! Don't you go anywhere! Girls and boys, take a seat!
Hey, don't rush and don't push! Oh, what about me?
Oh, poor Ken! We'll make you a new fashionable chair. Huh? Will it be better than this couch? We want a chair, too!
Susan! These are all I've managed to find quickly! What else do we have?
An empty glue bottle will do just fine. Let's begin!
And here's what you should get! A base for the chair! Grrr!
Hop! We'll just shake it a bit. And there are two of them!
La 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 la! Sing along, girls!
Oops! Sorry, folks. This is what I was looking for.
Hey, Susie, what was that about? I don't get it!
It wasn't supposed to be a blanket. It's the chair's upholstery. See?
Ugh, okay, but your magic went wrong. Why did that pin to me?
Stay still. Ooh, it's a double-sided tape. So now we can cover it up with some fabric. This way. Press a bit. See?
Okay, you have magic, but I have a bullseye! Ha-ha!
Wow, it totally slaps! What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Woohoo! Go, Sammy! You're so cool! Here comes another piece with 2 more pencil legs. And the chair is done.
Mirror, mirror in my hands, what else are we going to have? Wanna know that? Stay tuned!
Oh, my hair must be a total mess. Well, hey, you weren't supposed to tell me the truth!
Girls, don't fight! I'll be the mirror for both of you!
Are you gonna stand like that forever? No way! Let's make a cute desk. Away, away! We don't need any locks here.
Working with the wooden box? Awesome! I'll show you something! Alright, guys, don't skip the step!
Do you need my help, Sammy? I'm coming! Oh no! I lost my best friend to the dolls! Oh, what should I do? Wow, maybe I can do better without him, huh? Guys, what do you think?
Not so fast! We were just sanding the box, Sue! Nothing more! See for yourself!
I was just kidding! And look, it worked! You're here and we can proceed with the desk!
Now you're talking! Great job, Susan! I like that! Susie, my new roommate wants to help too!
Suit yourself, guys! It seems like we have a new Roger here.
I'll take care of everything! Ah! Get away from me! Rex, sit! Sit! Good boy! Phew! Taming a monster isn't easy!
You did great, though! And now we have a whole bunch of treasures for the desk! I think we're gonna need more sections to place everything! Much better!
There can't be enough drawers, right?
Guys, would you like to have a desk like this? Give a thumbs up if you're for it! Wow, check this out! The mirror is already here! Ah, finally I can mix up my hairdo! Hey, don't push!
Hey guys, what about a housewarming party, huh?
Come on, Sammy! We can't start the party with no chairs for the guests!
You're right! We'll make them from cardboard, as always! Sue, can you take care of the batting, please?
Yes, batting and wooden sticks. We can try to create individual designs.
Making 2 chairs at the same time? Sounds right for me!
I think I'm gonna borrow some cardboard from you, Sammy.
Told ya! Here you go!
No teasing, please! Alright, now we can assemble the chair.
Huh, so much work! All I have to do is put cushions into the right places. And… all done! How do you like it?
And I have my magic tricks, see?
What? From now on I'll sit beside you and watch your every move!
Ooh, so scary. Guys, Sammy looks very persuasive, right?
Say what you want, but I've got the legs for your chair!
Wait, Sam! Give them back!
Slick Slime Sam never loses! Remember that! And my chair is the best!
Was it even a battle? Huh, guys, we'll be right back with more designs. Stay tuned!
Did you see that? Oh, this is me again! Ha! Very cool, right, girls?
Woohoo! Sammy, show us more! Yeah!
Wanna get a real-life demonstration?
Guys, we present to you… boom! A compass lamp! A lamp made from a compass? Really? Oh, that sounds so cool!
2 compasses are better than 1, right?
It sure is! Let's put all the legs together like this. And then we'll stick sharp edges inside a colorful hot glue stick.
Looks awesome! What? Hey, mister! Go shoot your TikToks in another place!
A base from paper clips and a roll of decorative tape and… the lamp is done! Mr. Slime, what about my stuff? I can't find a place for it.
And my music collection? Can I put it on your shelf?
Shiver me cheddars! Why are you in such a rush?
Mr. Slime, wait! Wait!
Whoa, okay! I've already prepared the materials for the cabinet! Beep, beep, beep!
And I'm planning to make a shelf out of hot glue sticks.
Guys, making a cabinet is very easy! You just need to assemble all of the pieces!
And if you want to be creative, follow my lead. Bend a glue stick and make a slight cut on the arch.
Are you sure you make a cut right in the middle?
Mind your craft, and don't take away essential parts of mine.
Hey, what are you all laughing at? Not funny!
We should cut a wooden ruler into pieces. Slash! And then we'll paint them in our favorite color.
Are you sure you'll manage to do it without me?
Sure, Sammy, but thanks for the support. You're my best friend. After the paint is dried out, we'll glue the shelves to the side. Then we'll attach the other glue stick and the shelf is ready to be used. Here we go.
That one looks great, but mine is better anyways!
And what do you say, Barbie? I have so many things to fill it up with.
Make it louder! Let's have a party! What a beat!
Wow, that party was a total blast!
Where is everyone? I was gonna show them a new craft.
Not until you all freshen up a bit. We need a shower. Let's start with the shower head. Take a glue dispenser and some clay, and make a few holes like that.
Sue, do you mind if I use one of our sponge brushes? I really need it now!
Not at all. Will you show us the final result then?
Only if you finish the shower first!
Easy peasy. Besides, it's already done. We'll just add a few practical things. Whoosh! And a shower curtain, of course. I'm first! Wow!
Hey, careful, Susie! You forgot how slippery the showers could be! I'll fix it! Here, now you can shower up safely!
Whee! Thanks! That's much better now. Sammy, you've made it! This ottoman looks awesome! Where should we put it?
It's time to have some rest! Guys, enjoy the result and I'll take a short nap!
Is it all for us? Barbies, look!
Oh, I love our new home! The hosts are so sweet and kind. Yeah, you're right. I'm glad we can stay here.
Slick Slime Sam, you're a perfect little gem!
We'll be friends forever, thanks from Barbies and Ken!
Ugh, why is having guests so tiresome? Will I ever sleep soundly again?
Sorry, we're calling it a night. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like our Barbie-themed crafts.
Hurry up! I want to meet the unicorns in my dreams! Bye, guys!
See you!
Of the magnets and put some glue on top there. There we go. And this will stick our pom-pom in place. Now it's time to stick on his googly eyes. There we go, get lots of glue on there. There's one eye. Let's give him another eye. Lots of glue again. There we go, Mr. Bug. You got 2 eyes. There's our bug. Look at him. Hello. Great. Now let's make a racetrack with one of our bits of paper. Turn it over there. Fold it in half and cut down the middle very, very carefully. Because remember, scissors are sharp.
Be careful!
I'm being careful, Toki, don't worry. There we go. Right, and now put some glue on this. Stick it onto this bit of card. And we're done! At the top of the pencil, like that. And then wrap round your pipe cleaner. Here we go, round and round and round and round and round and round. There we go. Great. Okay, now it's time for the eyes. Where are they? They're in my bag. I just got them from the shop. Put some glue on them and stick on the eyes.
Hurry up!
Right, there's one eye. There's 2 eyes. There we go. And now we need to get our scissors and very carefully cut out a small triangle of yellow sponge. Be very careful because scissors are sharp.
Be careful!
There we go. This is going to be our beak. So if I put some glue on it, I can stick it on our pencil pet. There we go. It's done! And start wrapping it around your hand like this. Round and round it goes. And then carefully slide it off your hand. Get the small piece of wool and then tie it in the middle like that. There we go. Tie it nice and tight. There. And then get a pair of scissors and very carefully cut through the loops there on both sides. There's one side. And here's the other side now. There we go, that gives us a fluffy bug. Now we need to glue on these googly eyes, like this. There's one googly eye. There's the other googly eye. And then if we get our sticky tack on the end of our pencil, there it is, we can push it on to our pencil bug. Phew, I made it.
Only just.
Air drying clay and roll it. That's right, I said roll it into a ball. Well, a kind of ball shape anyway. Then stick it down and squidge it into the shape you want. You can make any shape you like. I'm going to do that shape. It's kind of like a blobby triangle shape. Then get another bit of clay, not much this time, and roll into 2 eyes. There we go. 2 eyes. There we go. Right, and stick those on.
Faster! Faster! Faster!
I'm going as quick as I can. I'm just putting the eyes on. I'm not doing badly, you know. Right, there are the eyes. And get your pencil and put a dot there and a dot there. There, the eyes are looking good. And then draw in a mouth like that. A little bit there, a little bit there. And the mouth is where the pencil goes. There you go, just in time.
Thank you, Mr. Miller.